Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. On my channel, I am just a regular girl trying to live my best life, showing you all the ways that I'm trying to do that. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of things that I was gifted from QVC. So I wanted to thank QVC for promoting this video, but I'm going to be thinking spring today. It's actually going to be a very stormy weekend here in the Northeast again. We're expected to have a huge snowstorm Sunday into Monday. It snowed last night. We have snow on the trees. I'm sick of it. I want spring. I want to see the ground. I want to see the earth beneath my feet. So anyway, QVC gifted me with a couple of spring items. There are two of each in each item. So one of the items is a Temptation Glass Lazy Susan, and I believe it's got like Easter eggs on it. It's Easter themed. And the other is a set of two Hydrangea plants. After I get these unboxed, I'm gonna head out to the dollar store and I'm gonna hit Michael's and get some stuff for a beautiful Easter tablescape that I'm gonna share with you in this video. And then we'll figure out, I'm gonna get some pots for the hydrangeas. And so I wanna see them first before I go out and get the pots, make sure they're gonna fit in there. So that all being said, let's get started on unboxing these beautiful QVC products. So this first one is pretty light, so I'm gonna assume that it is the hydrangea plant. I didn't realize this was a Valerie Parhill plant, and she does phenomenal work, and I have gotten her stuff in the past. These look like they're gonna be a really great size, and so her quality is always great, excellent, phenomenal. So let's see what we've got here. Oh, these are gorgeous. They're small enough that I could actually use these on my tablescape, I'm thinking. So they have a nice weight. It's not too heavy. It's not too light, but this will sit into something and stand upright. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look at your hydrangea. It's beautiful. It's nice and full, and it's got a nice greenery on it. These are gorgeous. The quality is phenomenal. So I have two of these. Whatever you're going to find from Valerie Parhill on QVC is going to be excellent quality. There is never going to be an issue with anything you get from her line. She's really, really good. So I am going to get some pots to put these in, and I will use these, I think, on my tablescape. We'll see how they look, but I am really loving these. I will link them. You will be able to shop all of these products and more on the little shop icons with the barcodes. You can shop right in the video, and I'll post some other things that I haven't shown you but are similar in case you can't find this particular thing. But these are great. And Temptations is another line that is super good from QVC. They have dishes, they have bowls, they have bakeware. So let's see if I can get this out and show you these lazy Susans. We're gonna see these together for the first time. Oh, they're glass. So what's nice about these is when you put these on your table, you can put different things and spin it around. Oh my gosh, so cute for Easter and spring. There's a set of two. I'm gonna have to figure out what I would put on these on my table, but you can use this on a bar. You can use this on a buffet table, anything like that. And there's a set of two. Here's my set of two Temptations Lazy Susans. They're glass Lazy Susans. You could do a cheese board on here. You could do different cupcakes on here, or a cake, or whatever you wanted to put on here. So I am going to head out and find some great things to put on my tablescape and decorate these products that I got. Thank you, QVC, for these beautiful items. I am a QVC shopper and have been a QVC shopper for years. I love QVC, so I'm a good spokesperson for them because I really, really love their products. So I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna come back in and let's see what I can find to coordinate with my new spring products. All right, guys, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to do my tablescape. And I found this great basket at Michael's, believe it or not. I decided to go with a basket that would hold both of these. And I went for one that was deep enough to make it look like hydrangeas in a basket, which I think is going to look really, really pretty. And I also picked up some Spanish moss, which is going to go right into the basket to cover up the little pots. So that's what I'm gonna do with this, and I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I got for the tablescape as soon as we put this together. So if I put these in to my basket and sort of put the taller ones facing, neck facing each other, and then I can move the lower ones and make it look like a basket. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna, this looks like the perfect height for me. I don't need to put it up any higher. So I'm not gonna put anything in the bottom. I'm just gonna take this and put it around the base so that we hide it. So I'm gonna bring you in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing with this basket. Now that I have it all covered up in there and I've cleaned up all the Spanish moss, I want to make sure that I get it looking like a natural basket of hydrangeas. So I'm just going to bend these stems out and make sure I get some of these lower ones spread out. All right, there is my centerpiece. And you can play with it until it looks like you want it to look. But now this will be my centerpiece, and I will set a table for 4, and I'll show you what I picked up from Michael's. I didn't end up going to the dollar store. I didn't even need to. I got everything at at Michael's, and I also picked up, just to show you what I could put on the Lazy Susan, I picked up some cookies and some candy from Walmart. So I'm just gonna do my spread and show you how it comes out. I got 4 of these, which I'm gonna coordinate with my white plates. And I also picked up these beautiful napkins. So there's 2 check and 2 flowered. So I'm gonna use these to coordinate my napkins. I also picked him up at Michael's, so cute, to put on one of the Lazy Susans right in the middle. And he brings a nice cheer to the table. So I got him, and everything is right now at Michael's. The Easter stuff is 30% off. I also picked up these beautiful colored eggs. They're pastel with a little gold on them. And these I thought were just perfect for the table. They're candles. They were on sale at Michael's. And they look like a pink hydrangea. It's all wax, but these are gonna be beautiful on my table. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along with me and for taking the time to see these beautiful QVC products. Don't forget to shop the links that I will include in the video. And when you're done with your Easter decorations, you can use these Lazy Susans in your cupboards, and they are beautiful and functional. So take care, everybody. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.